Come back to subscribe, please. Today we're diving into Dollarverse, the VerseWorld token, and exploring how to buy it, especially considering the VerseWorld Solana integration and its listing on MEXC Global and Bank. We'll discuss the VerseWorld metaverse and why understanding how to acquire Dollarverse is so important. Oh, what exactly is Dollarverse? It's the utility token designed for the VerseWorld ecosystem, incentivizing both participation and content creation within the platform. Built on the Solana blockchain, Dollarverse benefits from fast and low-cost transactions. VerseWorld itself is a metaverse platform focused on, for example, gaming, social interaction, or even virtual commerce, giving users many opportunities to earn, create, and generally interact with each other. Why should you consider investing in VerseWorld and Dollarverse? The metaverse shows a significant growth for virtual experiences and digital assets. There may even be first-mover advantage in a specific metaverse sector. Solana offers scalability, speed, and low transaction fees. Consider, is there an active community, a strong development team, or exciting partnerships? Let's move on to our step-by-step guide on how to buy Dollarverse. Step 1. Create a Solana wallet. Phantom and Solflare are great choices, but feel free to do your own research. Be sure to securely store your seed phrase. Step 2. Acquire SOL, Solana's native token, from a centralized exchange like Coinbase or Binance, and transfer that SOL to your Solana wallet. Step 3. Choose an exchange that lists Dollarverse, such as MEXC Global or Bank. We'll be giving instructions for buying Dollarverse on these exchanges specifically. Step 4. Connect your wallet to the exchange by following the exchange's instructions. Step 5. Buy Dollarverse, using your SOL to purchase the Dollarverse on your chosen exchange, being sure to double-check all the transaction details. Let's look at buying Dollarverse on MEXC Global. First, create an account and go through their KYC verification process. Next, deposit SOL into your MEXC Global account. Find the Dollarverse/SOL trading pair, place a buy order for Dollarverse, and once you're done, you can withdraw your Dollarverse to your Solana wallet. The process for Bank is similar. Again, create an account with KYC verification. Then, deposit your SOL into your bank account. Locate the Dollarverse/SOL trading pair and place your buy order, and you can then withdraw your Dollarverse to your Solana wallet. Before you invest, let's discuss the risks and considerations. Cryptocurrency like Dollarverse and SOL are subject to price fluctuations. Exchanges themselves carry risks like hacking or security breaches. And remember that the VerseWorld project may not achieve all its goals. It's important that you do your own research on both Dollarverse and VerseWorld before investing any of your money. In conclusion, Dollarverse and VerseWorld offer potential within the expanding metaverse. We encourage you to continue your research. Consider investing in Dollarverse and participate in the VerseWorld community, but only do so after due diligence. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.